All right, guys, so we left off on the C song again with the left hand. So let's just do that one more time. So find C4, remember, use the doghouses. Doghouse 1, doghouse 2, doghouse 3, doghouse 4, left hand thumb on C4. Here we go, let's try it. C, rest, C, rest, C, 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 rest, C, 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 rest. Turn the page, and B song. So that's going to be your index finger of your left hand, number 2. So B lives next door to C. Okay, let's try it. B, rest, B, rest, B, 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 rest, B, 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 rest. Okay, next one. I'm going to skip over the C and B song, the elephant song. Okay, practice that on your own. Let's go to Bright Stars. So Bright Stars introduces the whole note. Remember that receives 4 beats, 4 seconds. So you have half notes and whole notes in this song. So let's try this guy. So this is Bright Stars. So C for 2, B for 2. Now C, 2, 3, 4. C for 2, B for 2, C, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. C, 2, B, 2, C, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, B, 2, C, 2, 3, 4. All right, next one. So A, third finger of your left hand. Let's try the A song. Here we go. A, rest, A, rest, A, 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 rest, A, 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 rest. So, skipping over Rainy Day and going to Little Dance, it's introducing that whole rest. Remember that rest gets 4 beats of silence. So let's try this one. Okay, left hand on C, ready, and it's C, B, A for 2, then you lift, 2, 3, 4. C, B, A for 2, and you lift, 2, 3, 4, repeat, but we're not going to do that now. Off to Bed and Concert Day in this set of PDFs. I have a book, you have PDFs. Practice that. In the next set of Little Mozarts, it introduces the F and the G in the right hand and the G and the F, okay, in the left hand. So in your right hand, you'll have C, D, E, F, G, okay? And in your left hand, you'll have C, B, A, G, F. So one more time, right hand will be C, D, E, F, G, and your left hand notes will be C, B, A, G, F. So you know all the note durations and you can practice that second PDF by yourself. I'd like to go into actual note reading. So if you can go to your middle C song, it looks like this in your PDFs, middle C song. I'm going to talk about a few things. This introduces the treble clef and the bass clef, okay? So the treble clef sign, that's this guy, treble clef sign, is everything from middle C to the right of your keyboard, okay? So everything up to there is called the treble clef. You're going to play that with your right hand. The bass clef sign is everything from middle C down to the left of your keyboard, okay? So all this stuff is called bass clef, and you're going to play that with your left hand. The numbers that look like fractions, it says 4, 4. We're not going to worry about that too much right now. I'll explain that more in detail later. Just worry about the top number. The top number says 4. So that means each measure or each box is going to add up to 4 counts. So if you look at this first measure, it's C for 1, rest for 1, C for 1, rest for 1. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beats. If you look here, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, because that gets 2 beats, the C. Okay, so each box will add up to 4. So that's the only number that I want you to worry about for right now. Okay, so this song, your thumbs are gonna share C4. So you're gonna take turns on the same key. So you just kind of have to move out of the way. When the stem points up, it's your right hand. When the stem points down, it's your left. So let's go ahead and try playing this song. So this is C, rest, C, rest, C, C, C for 2. Now your left hand is C, 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 rest, C for 2, C, C, C for 2, C, C, then right hand C for 2, C for 2, now left hand 2, 3, 4. In the YouTube links, I have this recorded if you want to go back and watch that a bunch of times if you need the help. It's in the YouTube links. Our next song that I want you to work on this week is called C and D. So it's introducing the D on the staff, right? I'm reading real music here. So this note is C, this note is D, and you've just got C's and D's this whole entire time, okay? So again, there's a YouTube link for this, but let's go ahead and play it together now. Ready? And this is right hand. C, 2, D, 2, C, C, D, 2, C, C, D, D, C, C, D, 2, C, D, C, D, C for 2, D, 2, D, C, D, C, D, 2, C, 2. Now this song doesn't have a time signature, but it's in 4/4, right? Because each measure adds up to 4 counts. Turn the page and you have the C and B song. So this is all bass clef, right? This is all gonna be left hand, the stems are pointed down. So left hand thumb goes on C4. Let's try playing C and B together. Ready? And this is C, C, B, B, C, C, B for 2. C, C, B, B, C, 2, 3, 4. C, C, B, B, C, C, B for 2. C, C, B, B, C, 2, 3, 4. C, B, C, B, C, B, C, B, B, C, B, C, 2, 3, 4. C, B, B, C, C, B, B, C, B, 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 C, 2, 3, 4. That takes us to the last one for this week. It's dueling C's, okay? So you're gonna put both your hands up there. And remember, you're gonna take turns and who plays middle C. So let's try this song together. You have C's, D's, and B's. So just these 3 notes, okay? C, measure there, your thumbs smash together on C, they share. All right, guys, That's it for this week. So you know how to read 3 notes on the actual staff, right? You have C, D, and B. Make sure you do all of your homework, your PDFs, and send those to me. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. All right, bye guys.